Good morning, friends. So now we are coming again online because of COVID-19 third wave. Now already we know that in school we have started the 13th chapter and up to 5 exercise, sorry 6 exercise we have completed. So today we have discussed about the exercise 17, 13.7 is also, but still we want to go further again. So let me do today some concept related exercise 13.7. So now we want to do something. Okay, still it is not. I think we are doing something wrong. Okay, so exercise 13.7 we have started. Related volume we have discussed related with the cone. So now today I want to go further. Some still we have left some question related with the 13.7. So first of all, 13.7 related volume of cone formula. Volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now I think we have completed first, second and third we are discussing. So if I want to discuss third, so first of all, height of a cone is 15 centimeter, that is h is given 15 centimeter. Now volume V is given, volume V is given, that is 1570 centimeter square. Find the radius and pi is equal to, we have to use 3.14. So now if I want to do this, what is the first step? We have to write the formula first and then we can do it. So we can do it here easily. Now we can apply the formula here. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now volume that is given 1570 is equal to 1 by 3.14 into r square, that we have to find out, into h, that is 15. I think we have discussed this sum. So 3 into 5, 15. Now 3.14 into 15. So 3.14 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 3s are 15. Point afterward 1. So 157. So 1570 is equal to 3.15 into 5, that is 157. 1570. But here it is point, so we can remove these also. So 3.15, that is 3.15, again point, so 15.7. Again 314 into 5 upon 100. 5 20 2, 5 1s are 5, 7 1 5 upon 100. So we can write 15.7. So now into r square. Now what happened, this afterward point we have to write 10. So 15700 upon 157 is equal to r square. By cancellation 100 is equal to r square. So r is equal to 10. So here the question is find the radius. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. Already we have discussed, I think, but it is necessary that we have to start it again. So one type of revision it is. So now we go for next sum. Let me see that how many sums I think we have completed. Okay, conical pit of top diameter 3.5 and 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliter? I think we have also discussed this sum. Question number 5. A conical pit of top diameter is 3.5 meter, is deep kiloliter. That we have to find out. I think you must know what is related with the kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now diameter is given, that is 3.5. So we can write radius is equal to 3.5 by 2. Now we have to find out the capacity, means volume. So we know the formula, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now 1 by 3 value of pi. Here it is not given, so we can take 22 by 7. Now r square, so we can write 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2. In it, here if you will see there is meter, here it is meter, and into 12. Important thing, how you are doing the cancellation. Mostly many times I am saying to you 3.5 into 2 we can do. So 2 into 11, again 2 into 6, again 2 into 3. Now only remaining is 11, 3.5 and 3. So we can cut these 3 also. So 11 multiplied by 3.5. So many times we have discussed, when you are multiplied by 11, just write 2 times the digit itself. So again we are doing 35 into 11. If you want to do multiplication of 11, 35, I have to write 2 times. So 3, 8, 5. Now afterward 1 point is there. So 38.5 meter cube, because we are finding the volume. Now we want to find out the capacity in the kiloliter. In kiloliter. So when meter cube is there, I have to divide it by 1000 to answer in here kiloliter. So you have to write same thing, 1 kg 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. We have discussed. In 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So I think we have to So answer is 38.5. Answer is meter cube. We have to divide it by 1000. So it will be converted into liter because okay, still see answer is in kiloliter. So again 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So we cannot divide it. We have to write as it is. Why? Because meter cube is equal to 38.5 meter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So 1 meter cube, always remember, is equal to 1 kiloliter. So we can write at here, I think that 38.5 KL. 38.5 meter cube is equal to 38.5 KL. Again, it's an important sum. Question is find the answer in kiloliter. So when we are discussing about it, remember 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter means 1 kiloliter. You have to write this, according to me, you have to write this. I think this sum we have discussed in a class, or maybe possible we have to do it again. So 1 to 4 we have completed. 5th that I have completed, write it now. According to me, you have to write whatever the lecture is going on. You have to write it, and then old lectures must be in application also. You go through application. So I hope that you have written it. And whatever we are discussing or whatever we are given homework at here, you have to upload your homework in application. Now, next question, that is 6. So, question number 6. So, read the question, what the question says. What we have to find out? Height, slant height, and surface area of cone. 3 things you have to find out. Which formula we have to use? Write in your, you have to write it here in rough book. So we know that formula, that is V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now here it is volume given. So 9, 8, 5, 6 is equal to 1 by 3 value of pi 22 by 7 r square, that is radius is equal to 14. So 14 into 14 into what we have to find out? Height h. That we have to find out. Now try to do cancellation yourself and give me the answer of height. So if we will see that properly, we can divide it 9, 7, 2s are. So 9, 8, 5, 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 22 into 2 into 14 is equal to height h. That we have to find out. Now here we can cancel it by 11. 11 2s are 11, 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. 105, 11 9s are 99. 11 6s are 66. Again we have to cut by 2. 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 8s are. Again we cut by 2. 2, 2, 4. It is possible that we can cancel again 2 with 7, again 2, 1, 1, 7, again 7 cancellation, 7 1 7, 42 7 6 are. So 16 into 38, 48 over unit is centimeter, that is our height. What is height at here now? What is height? 48 centimeter. Right now it now 48 centimeter you have get height. Now by using that we have to find out slant height. Slant height. So slant height, again formula which we have to use, L is equal to under root h square plus r square. That way, now try to find out the height by using L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Miss, so I hope you have to apply this. That is now h. So what is h? Already we have got 48 square plus r, that is 14 square. Now 48 square. So first of all we have to rub this or not. If you will return it, then we can rub. So we can go further properly, or you can understand it properly. So now L is equal to under root h square plus r square. So L is equal to, now h, that is 48 square plus 14 square. Now 48 square, so we know how to do 48 square. 48 into 48. 8 8 ja 64. 4 4 ja 60. Cross multiplication, 32 plus 32 64. So 4 10 1 3 2 3 0 4. So we have to write 2 3 0 4 plus 14 square, that is 14 square. So again 14 square, 4 4 ja 16, 1 1 ja 1, cross 8, so 196. So 196, that is 2500. It is a square of 2500 is a square of 2500 is a square of 50. So that is L is equal to 50 centimeter. So when lecture is live lecture is there, you have to write everything whatever I describe in a board. So write it now. L is equal to 50 centimeter. Afterward, we put the value. Now surface area of cone, that we have to find out. So CSA of cone, that is pi RL. Value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Value of R, that is 14. And value of L, that is 50. So 7 into 2. So 44 into 50. So 220 and 0 centimeter square. That is a CSA. So compulsory you have to write whatever I write in a board, or you can whatever write in a smart board, that you have to write. So three things we have find out by using volume of cone is given, radius is given, we can find out the height, we can find out the slant height, we can find out the curved surface area of cone. So I hope that you understand it. Write it now. One more sum we can do. If you have written it, then we rub this and again do one more sum. Now, next question is, that is, what the next question is, that is, we have to first do by question number 9. In question number 9, if you will see properly, cone is there, diameter is there, height is there. Find the volume. A heap of wheat is in form of cone. So if you will see that we can draw the one cone at here. It's a cone. And diameter and height is given. So here it is height and we can say radius. So h is equal to 3 meter and diameter is equal to 10.5. So radius we can say 10.5 by 2. That way we have to write. Now find volume. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi, that is 22 by 7. Now r square, so I have to write 2 times. 10.5 into 10.5 and again divided by 2 into height h, that is 3. Now we have to do cancellation, that is 3 cut. If you will do it cancellation, we can do it 11. Now what is remaining here? We can cancel. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 35. 7 5s are 35. So 0.5. So 11 into 1.5 into 10.5. Only remaining is 2. So 11 multiplied by 1.5 into 10.5 divided by 2. Question is, if heap is covered by canvas to protect it from rain, find the area of canvas. It means I have to find out CSA of cone. CSA of cone means pi RL. That we have to find out. CSA of cone means pi RL. So 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 divided by 2, CSA pi RL. If we will go through it, because everything is in meter, so we have to find out the answer in meter cube. So we know that 11 into 1.5, that is 16.5 into 10.5 and divided by 2. If I want to remove these 2, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So 16.5 into 5. Here if we will do, so we can get answer below 10. Now 16.5 to 16 5s are 80 plus 82.5. 5 is 25, 2, 30, 32, 3 and into 10.5. If you multiply it, you will get answer in meter cube. And now by using this pi RL again, so 22 by 7 into R 10.5 by 2 into L. So we have to find out L by using L is equal to under root h square plus R square. Now what is h is here? That height 3. What is the radius? Diameter is 10 point. So we can write 5.25. Now I have to make a square. 3 square is 9. 5.25 square you have to do it. And if we add this, here we have to write the square. So another way is what we have to do. If you return it, then I have to rub this. After we concentrate on at here. So 5.25 square. So 5.25, or we can say 10.5. If you will write 10 upon 10.5 by 10.5, equal to 2. So if I will taking square, so 110 to 5 upon 100. Diameter is given, so it will be 100. Write it now. I hope you have written it. So this is the last sum. Two things you have to concept clear it. When volume we have to find out, use 1 by 3 pi r square h. When area is there, to find out the area, we have to use pi r l. But here l is not here, so we have to find out by using this. L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Now give me the answer of it. I hope that you have cleared it. So two things you have to do. Either first of all find out this value, you will get area, volume. When you find out the value of L, because 525, so let me rub this everything. Okay, so I have rubbed everything because we want to find out now pi r n. That is the last. So 22 by 7, again 10.5 by 2, and L anyhow I have to find out. So L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Now h we know 3 square, and 5.25 square, that I have to find out. So 525 I have to write 2 times. After I will shortcut key. So 25, 2, 10, 12, 1, 25, 26. Again 1, 10, 1, 2 to the 4, 5, 5 to the 10. Again 2 cross. Again same thing, 5, 2, 6, 2. So 5, 2, 16, 1, 5, 2, 7, 5, 6. Afterward, how many points? 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 27.56 to 5. So 27 now under root 9 plus 27.56 to 5. So 27 plus 9, that is 36.57 to 5 under root. So we know that here it is 6. We know that here it is 6, and 5, 6, 2 points. So 25. So if you will multiply 6.25, you will get 36.56 to 5. Now 6.25, that I have to put it here. And if you will cancel it, we can get, so again 16.5 into 6.25, you will get volume. So in your text fair book, you have to complete anyhow this exercise, that is 13.7. In 13.7 we have completed mostly old sum, mostly in a class, but whatever you will see in a video lecture, that you have to write the main points, and then you have to upload these main points in a video, or sorry, in a application. So this is the first video. Please concentrate and go through YouTube channel also or in application also. Link is shared always in the WhatsApp group for 2 or 3 days. And stay safe at home and concentrate on it. Thank you.